So I just picked up at Harbor Freight this Bunker Hill padlock for $4.99, I think. 5-pin cylinder, prevents picking. And I am an absolute newbie when it comes to doing lock picking. I mean, I have the cheapo Chinese deals here. I picked up a couple of Lishi tools. I got tryout keys. And this particular padlock has, I'm assuming that's a Yale type keyway, and it's tiny. It looks bigger on the video, but this is a tiny little thing. And so even if you got one of those Lishi style Yale keyway picks, I don't think it would even fit in there. But so I was trying my little city rake, and I had no luck with that. And I have these other tinier ones. It's a city rake. I tried single pin picking, but I just suck at it. I'm too new. And there's just no freaking room to get any tension bar, even though I've got tension bars that are like this one here. I mean, that tiny little thing will fit. But ironically, of all the things that worked, was this stupid little, was that a worm, right? And I was able to rake it open. Let's see if I can do it. Hold on. Okay, so it's my tension bar. How did I do? Which one did I use here? Let me use that one. Got the little worm. And it's a rocking motion rather than a raking motion, I've noticed. There it is. Now my next task is to get this Chateau C970, which I cannot get, and it seems to have the same kind of keyway. Let's see if I can get that one. But that's it for now.